In today's video, we're going to be doing some more custom details on the rat truck using some really cool, weird parts. So, yeah, this is one of them, and there's a few other little bits as well. So, let's get into it, shall we? What I'm thinking here, right, is thinking about cutting this down about the same length as that. I've stretched it out because it was rounded. It's off a truck stack, and wrap it round there and fill this piece in here. So first things first, let's kind of cut it to size. Right, first of all, this got these rounded edges, which if I'm going to cut it this side, it's not going to work. So I need to cut it somewhere in the middle. Plus, I don't want none of this horrible flaky chrome. So I'm going to use the middle section. So first thing we've got to do is figure out what line I'm going to cut, because I've got to try and dodge these holes as well. I can see a line there. Just hope the other side lines up. That's what it's all about. But first I'm going to cut down, right down there. That's the first step. So that's going to go, I'll cut it a bit longer because this curves in. This rope's going to be a pain in the ass. This rope is going to be a pain. Let's move that up. So that's going to go on there. That's there and there. So I need to cut this at an angle now.
A few moments later.
Okay, that's what I've done to the end now. Hopefully that should now slide in like that. Okay. That is exactly it. Right. You kind of see what I'm working with now, don't you? Look at that. Yes. Because the number plate's down there, that gap just felt empty. Oh, tripping over myself. Yes. Yes, I like that. I'm liking that. Right. Okay, so let's figure out how we're going to neaten this up. So if I just trim that, maybe a bit off the other side. Bit wonky in the middle. I also need to figure out how I'm going to attach this. I have these, these rivets, really long ones. I'm riveting, although I'm riveting into fiberglass. I don't know if that'll work, but it's worth a shot. If I just drill a hole straight down, bosh, arse. By Job, it bloody worked. All right. Hopefully I've got a drill with some charge in it. Okay, it does work. I can't believe this works. That's bloody solid. Okay, there we go. That is now on. Looking quite cool. Give it this big rusty perforated effect in the mouth of the beast. Yes.
A few moments later.
I'm just sat here now looking at it. I don't know if I like it now I've done it. It looks a bit dark and I don't know. What do you guys think in the comments? Think it works or not? Does it work? You know what? Maybe if it wasn't brown. What do you think of that? That looks so much better. Rat. Yes, I'm liking that. I'm going to bring out a bit more of the metal with the angle grinder. But yeah, it's starting to take shape. I'm going to dull down the chrome on these.
A few moments later.
Okay, there we have it. You got that going on the front. These are scuffed up and dulled down. They've got some, look at that. Actually quite like all that on top. Yeah, that's much better. Much better. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Alright, let's zoom out and have a look. Yeah. Okay, it's growing on me now, that bit on the front. It's growing on me. Yes, okay. Okay. That's good. Okay, I've also got a replacement for these. This one keeps falling out anyway. I have got these. They're from a truck, an old truck roof. They're them, whatever they're called. So I'm thinking, and plus somebody has done this weird rust effect, which works really well because, get that there a minute. That goes over there with a chrome on it. You see? If I can get that over there, get the light to work. It actually works really well with the shape of the chrome, look. So, we need to figure this out. I've only got the lens, and this keeps falling out. So, I think the first thing I need to do is get some epoxy and glue that chrome piece to that so it's solid. Then figure out how I can make this bulb stay in place, and then attach this over the top. Yeah. In fact, you know what? That'll do for today. There it is. Looking pretty damn cool if I do say so myself. We'll do the indicators another day. Because I ain't got no epoxy and I'm skint. Absolutely bloody skint. So, yeah. See you in the next one, peeps.